In this video, we're going to show how to do a proper promenade in country two-step. We teach a lot of promenades in our country two-step, and a lot of times it's not done properly, so we want to make sure everybody knows how to do it.
I'll start with the ladies back to the camera. Again, we are offset position to start.
I'm looking over his shoulder here. He's looking over mine.
My first slow is always straight. Then I set the lady off the track. It looks like this. Here, slow, set her off the track. Now I did that with my dance frame and she absolutely cooperated with that. Most of the time, I need a passageway to go diagonal. If she does not get off the track enough, I have a very difficult time getting off of that. That was a terrible lead and I did not get my partner off the track.
If he has to go diagonal, look what he has to do now.
I have to step over here, and it does not make it easy. So I'm going to do it the right way. She's going to follow it the right way. Slow, slow. You can see, and so can I, that foot's not an issue now because I am definitely, if I want to go diagonal, I have the room. Quick, quick. A lot of times I want to cross over to get to the opposite side. So what's critical is that second slow. Forward slow, slow. We don't want you starting by turning on the slow like this. That's not a good promenade. Always straight first, straight, then get it done. And it's an easy step to follow if the follower will go with the dance frame.
And so my big issue in this is that the leader leads it and it's up to the follower to follow it. And even if he gives you a weak lead, you know that you're going into a promenade and then do your promenade correctly. So let's say he gives me a weak lead, but I know I have to get out of his way.
That was not a good lead, but she knew what it meant to be. So.
I need to do my part. So a lot of times they expect the guy to just really throw him over there, but I know when he gives me, he moves his chest over, I know I need to get completely out of his way. And so then he can do the move he had planned. Even if he's going to go straight, so you want to go slow, slow, if he went straight, if he was going to go straight. If I'm in his way, because I didn't do my part, slow, slow, now he was
I have no room. So I have to go outside of her for this quick, and it really messes me up.
So make sure that when you do this promenade, you're going to go.
The whole purpose is to set her on the outside track.
Slow,
forward, slow, she's set. I have all my options available to me are in the clear. I can make it. So vital to know that.
All right, so make sure you do that when you're doing country two-step. See you later. Bye-bye.